Everything smells beautiful. The main thing I like is I like the cilantro. I like the basil. I have a nice salad here. I don't know, the wife is probably making a nice salad here. We're gonna have this with some peppers. I got some premio. Shut up over there, you.
Shut up. I'm the one who's Italian, not you.
Basta. Basta. I gotta go take a look again now. It's called Premio. Right there. Spelled out. P-R-E-M-I-O. We got some Premio Italian sausage on the grill. Making that nice. Look at that. Oof. This is beautiful. It's gonna be fantastic. Really looking forward to this. Beautiful. All right, let's shut that. Let that cook a little longer. Take a walk back over here to the unit. All right, here it is. Here's our latest find. Absolutely remarkable find. So we've got a Black & Decker catalog number 61. Okay. This is a 6-inch portable grinder. All right, mounted, custom mounted to a grinder stand. Extremely, extremely unique. Okay, look at this. Okay, we found this locally on Craigslist. We purchased this from a gentleman right out of Lake Ronkonkoma area. And yeah, we were thrilled, absolutely thrilled to find this unit. Okay, yeah, so it is extremely, extremely heavy, mounted to this base. Yeah, I was absolutely stunned when I made an attempt to lift this by myself. And generally, lifting heavy objects is not that big of a deal for me. But this unit it's just a beast, an absolute beast. I'm gonna put it on a scale, and we're gonna weigh it before we break it down, because we need to take this down into the shop and to lift it without breaking it down. Yeah, not something we want to take on. Okay, God forbid we drop it on the way down to the shop. We'll have a tragedy on our hands. The wife, the little lady, would not be happy. We put it that way. We got the garden here. We got a little over here. We got a little basil. We got a little rosemary. We got a little cilantro. Over here we got some mint. We got some strawberries. Nice. Nice. We got some tomatoes. We got some nice tomato plants over here. This, I don't even know what it is. She knows what it is. What is this? I don't even know. I got some cabbage. No, it's not cabbage. I got some lettuce. Nice. Mint chocolate. Look at that. Make some nice tea. This is excellent. Yes, I got a nice robust garden going here. In about another week, we're going to be able to transplant. Oh, we got some seedlings. We got some bourrage. Yeah, that looks good. What do we got here? We got some calendula. Probably pronouncing all of this stuff wrong, but you know. Some viola. Johnny Jump Up. Look at that. Nasturtium. Got some nice bachelor's button. Oh, look at this. We got some chives. Chives are looking good. That's going to be nice. And chamomile. Oh, gotta have some nice tea. Some nice teas. Excellent.